I've made a nut loaf.
As you know, I like to experiment, so I thought I can try and make a nut loaf. Instead of adding the nuts at the beginning, I was thinking of trying to create some layering to create a bit of a marbling effect inside the loaf. I took 2 of my boules, stretched them out roughly to equal-sized rectangles, and then blended some mixed nuts in my NutriBullet and added them to the top. I was really surprised how well the NutriBullet blended the nuts. Once the layer was added, it was time to come up with a boule shape, completely mixing up the nuts and the dough. I need to practice this a bit more because it felt a little bit too much haphazard, but it worked okay. After a quick dip in the rice flour, I finished off the boule inside the banneton. The next morning it was ready to be baked. I also added some oats for some extra decoration and flavor. As the dough is laminated, I was trying to make these scores just deep enough to cut through the top layer and create a bit of a petal effect once the dough is baked. Let's find out how it baked, but give it a try and enjoy.